Hey everyone, welcome back to Bad at Life. I'm Butch. I want to wish all of you fathers out there a happy Father's Day. I took this flight this morning. Finally the weather let up. No more raining, bad weather. I finally was able to get into the sky. Very happy about it. I just want to wish my dad, Wild Bill, a happy Father's Day. I hope you had a great day, Dad. I love you. Ricky, my father-in-law, I hope you had a great Father's Day. My brother Brad, Kevin, Papa Wayne, I hope you all had a great day and enjoyed your day today. I love you guys, and I'm just happy that you're in my life. And all the rest of you fathers out there, I hope you had a great Father's Day. Today's flight, I flew over to the Edison Ford Estates. I hope you enjoy it. Check it out. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. And always stay bad.
Here we are at the Edison Ford Estates, right down here. Here we are, the Edison and Ford Estates. This is a sky tour. We'll take a tour next time.
Hey everyone, I figured I would just chime in again here. I don't know how this video is going to come out because this was my first time flying with my chase cam behind me, and all the way through the flight I didn't notice, towards the end, until the end I didn't notice that my chase cam had turned sideways and recorded everything in the upright position. I don't know how to explain that. It recorded it all crazy. I don't know how this is going to turn out, editing all this. I hope it turns out the best it can. I'm sorry if it's not that great. I'll try again harder next time and retie it up and make sure that it flies straight. Thank you for bearing with me. I still hope you enjoy this video. You'll see coming up over here when I cross over to the 41 bridges, you'll see some little islands out there. They're working on them. They actually had cut some trees down, turned them upside down and replanted them. It's pretty funny looking. I hope you enjoy it still. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you have a great day. Stay bad.